Good morning, gang. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, our penultimate, that is second to last, day of school. Day of 8th grade, day of middle school. Crazy. So here's what we got going for today. Country of the day is Jordan, a country that borders the Dead Sea. Why is it called the Dead Sea? Because it is so salty. It's like 9 times saltier than the ocean that pretty much nothing grows in it. And it's also so salty that you can float on the water. Like you don't need like a little, flamingo pool floaty to float. You just float on the water because there's so much salt. Kind of wild. It also has a relative to the deer and the antelope known as the sharp-horned onyx. Check it out, though I don't think you're supposed to eat them. I don't think they make real good venison jerky or anything like that. It's in the middle of a desert. It borders the Dead Sea, and water rationing is important to the country. It's very vital. And there's this kind of like urban legend in the culture of the people that cold water brings on sickness, so they drink a lot of room temperature water. Who knew? Anyway, on to today. Couple of things. Really, you've got one task today. All year long, I hope that I have been able to be honest with you and give you feedback and help you grow and help you learn. I have certainly learned a lot from you all, and I've certainly grown by working from you all by doing a lot of things indirectly. But what I'm asking for today is your very direct feedback. There is a survey that I typically give in class at the end of the year, right around kind of the last week or so, just basically asking you for your input, your insights on things that you thought went well, things that I should do more of, things that I should do less of, just basically your chance to give me some feedback on how I did for you as a teacher. I super value this feedback. I take it to heart. I take it to build, to grow. The experience that you got with me this year is based on years and thousands of students providing that feedback and helping me continue to grow. So if you could do me a solid and give me some feedback there. I try to keep it brief. It shouldn't take you too long. As always with the survey, the more detail you can provide, the better. If you just give me a one-word answer, I'm just going to go, I don't know what to do with that. Don't write pages or anything like that because, I want to keep this brief for you. But just this is your chance to give me some thoughts. Speaking of that, because I'm going to be asking you a bunch of questions today, and really I've asked you questions all year long, today's journal question isn't really me asking you a question, it's you asking me a question. I like to do this from time to time, a little ask me almost anything. There are some questions that I can't or won't answer, so keep them, appropriate and things like that, but I will try and be as honest as I can with the questions that you ask me. So this is your chance if you've got that burning question you just really want to know about me or about the world, I guess, just fire away and I will answer back to you as quickly as I can. Then, once you've done the survey, once you've done the journal question, it's a catch-up day. You have worked so hard this all year, and during distance learning, and especially this past couple of weeks, as things get down to the end and there's that anxiousness and you can see the end in sight and the sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and you think, we're almost done, we've almost made it, yet you continue to work hard, so thank you for that. I know some of you, you might want a little catch-up day to do nothing. Some of you might want a little catch-up day to get caught up. Some of you might want a little catch-up day to dip your fries in. Sorry, that was terrible. But at any rate, just double check, my class, school of you, whatever it is. If there's something still outstanding, pick and choose. Don't certainly feel like you got to do everything if you're missing a lot, but maybe pick and choose a few key items. And if there's anything I can do, please email me, send me a note, whatever final questions you've got, just let me know on this catch-up day. Couple of other things. Today at 1:30, I was trying to find the best time for us to get together for a Google Meet. I will throw it out in the Google Classroom stream, but today at 1:30, we can get together to celebrate, to tell stories, to laugh, no group hugs. That would be weird even in person, but even more weird digitally. So we're going to do that today, and maybe I'll fire one up tomorrow morning as well, as we just kind of wrap things up. But really today is about you giving me a little feedback on the air and reflecting back on it, getting caught up, and then hopefully I will see all y'all right around 1:30 this afternoon. I hope you're doing well. Please let me know if there's anything I can do, or if there's anything that you need. I miss you all. Yeah, that's all I got for now. Be bold, be kind, and make good choices. See ya.